Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. The stock I want to look at today is Macy's. Macy's, of course, continues to be a struggling retailer, at least through the lens of the retailing community, and certainly from a stock price perspective, uh, basically from last July's highs into the year-end lows. The stock lost about 50%, so it dropped about 50% in a fairly swift manner for a stock like this. What I'm looking at, however, here in the near term is the stock continues to show a little bit of relative strength among some other retailers like Walmart. And I wouldn't be surprised if some of that relative strength continues before ultimately potentially retesting lower once again. So obviously the big picture channel here to the upside broke a long time ago. So just going to do some real basic math here or lines, if you will, and you can see that a long ago broke. In fact, the stock has started overshooting late last year, and that is really what ultimately led to this big mean reversion lower. The stock now does, however, come into some lateral resistance as well. So what used to be support may now act as some form of resistance. You see that this area here around the low 40s or so previously acted as resistance in 2012, then became support, and now is potentially again acting as resistance. So that's one thing that's problematic for the bull case. Let's look at the daily chart to show you guys a little bit more where I'm seeing the potential upside in this stock. I mean, for one, the stock was very oversold and actually continues to be fairly oversold through a multi-week lens. But if we look at this daily chart, you can see that the stock has once again managed to get back above its near-term moving averages. So you've got the 21 and 8-day moving averages here, and that's fairly positive. The more the stock consolidates here, the better the odds are it finally starts mean reverting a little bit higher still and starts to fill this gap, the down gap from November 11th of last year, which is marked by this blue zone. So if the stock starts working into this area, it could potentially start rallying into the mid 40s. That would quickly give us about a 10+% gain. So what I'm looking for is for this stock is to stop consolidating and give us a bullish confirmation rally day where we could then start buying the stock. There's no reason to start buying the stock before then. We need to see the stock give us a signal that it's going to start doing something out of the consolidation. A lot of people start buying these kind of stocks when they're just consolidating, sort of hoping for an immediate resolve to the upside. But a lot of times people then get quickly brought down back to earth with their expectations as the stock either starts growing the other way, i.e. lower, or just continues to consolidate and frustrates the hell out of them. So I think Macy's continues to give us good risk reward, but we do need to see confirmation buying day for the stock to start getting out of this consolidation phase and starts working or working toward at least, if not into this blue box here. So please like the video, guys, subscribe to my channel, and stay up to date with latest from the Steady Trader and the Clubhouse membership. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.